guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ellen here. So today's video is going to be like a trying out the glass skin trend slash trying out new products. I'm not going to be doing my eye makeup today. I did this off of camera, but if you do want to see a tutorial on this, let me know, although I did film a TikTok on my eyes anyway, but this is just on skin. So in my last haul video, well, my last video probably, which was my haul video, I bought some new products. So today that I can't talk. So in today's video, I was just trying them out for the first time on camera with you guys, so we could see what they were like, and I could give my honest first impression of them, what I actually think of them. So yeah, you'll have to find out for that in the video. You'll have to carry on watching, won't you? I am so cringy sometimes. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna probably stop blabbing now, but I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you do think in the comment section down below, and let me know if you want me to film any more videos like this. I feel like this intro is just a whole big mess because I can't talk, but basically I filmed a video doing my skin, trying out new products that I'd not tried before, doing a first impressions, doing a little bit of a review of them. So yeah, let me know if you like these products, if you've got these products, if you use them, if they're your must-haves, if they're your ride or dies, or if you hate them. You get me. Let me know, because I like to know, and I like to know what other products people are using. So if you've got any really good if you've got any really good product suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below so I know what I need to try next, because I love trying new products. Anyways, I'm going to shut up blabbing and let's just get straight on with the video. And remember, click that subscribe button because it helps me out so much, and I love you I love you guys anyway, but I love you if you click the little subscribe button. Thank you. Anyways, I'm going to stop being weird now, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right guys, let's just get straight onto it. So I already did my eyes off camera because obviously this is not an eye tutorial, it's a skin tutorial using some new products that I bought that I showed you in my last haul video, which I posted a few days ago. I'm saying that because I posted it a few days ago as I'm filming, but by the time I post this video it's probably going to be like a week ago or something like that. But let's just get straight on with it because I am super excited. So I'm going to start off with the Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. I'm not going to lie, I can't remember how much all of these are, but I did say it in my haul video. By the way, if you can hear buzzing in the background, it's my phone. It's just a group chat and it's just going off for some reason. But yes, I'm going to start off with the Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. So since I actually did that haul video and I'd received all these products, I've still not actually tried them. So this is like a first impression, so it'll be really interesting. So this primer is like a serum. It feels really nice, so I'm excited to try this out. Now I have really dry skin, guys, so anything I can do to make my skin, oh, it smells lovely, sorry, anything I can do to make my skin look nice and glowy, I'm all about that. I don't know how to describe the smell of this, but it's like really nostalgic. Oh, just sniffing that, sorry. Just put a little bit on my forehead. I really like how this feels on the skin so far, guys. Like, it feels really serumy, it feels really hydrating. I don't know if you'd like it if you've got oily skin, I'll be honest, but like I said, I have dry skin and I like my skin to look nice and shiny. By the way, look how dark my hands are next to my face. I've obviously fake tanned, you can even see on my neck as well. I've obviously fake tanned, but I don't put fake tan on my face because it gives me spots. I mean, I've got loads of spots at the minute anyway, but it gives me spots, so I only fake tan like the rest of my body. Like, I go up to my neck, like up to my jawline, should I say, and then I stop. Okay, so far I'm really liking, I don't know if you can see or not, but like, my skin is already getting like a bit of a glow to it, which I am loving. That just smells beautiful and I don't know what it smells of, but it is amazing. So for foundation, this is not really a first impression because I've used this foundation loads of times. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. This is what it looks like. I just got it in a new shade because the shade I have is F6. and it's a little bit too light. It's like, well, it's alright if I'm like not tanned, but for my tan shade I need to go darker. So I got the shade F9.5 and I'm hoping this is gonna be okay. So it comes in a pump, with a pump should I say, obviously. So I'm just gonna pop some of that on the back of my hand. So like I said, I've used this foundation before, so I know I absolutely love the foundation itself, but it's the colour I'm kind of testing out more. And I'm just going to apply this with a PC19 brush from Peaches and Cream. I'm just going to start blending that. Yeah, so if anyone comes to me in the comments saying like, oh my god, that foundation is way too dark for your face, it's because I've got fake tan on. I'm matching it to my neck, okay? Don't come for me, don't judge me. By the way guys, if you didn't already know, I absolutely love this foundation. It's very yellow. I mean, I think it looks more yellow on camera than it does in person. In person it doesn't actually look that bad, but on camera it's picking up very yellow and I don't know why. Okay, so like I was saying, obviously the foundation for some reason on camera is picking up very yellow, but it's not actually yellow. I don't know if that's my lighting or what it is. It's not, I mean, it is a yellow foundation obviously, but it's not as yellow as what it's picking up as on camera. Please believe me when I say that. Mostly I'm just looking at how it's looking over the top of the primer that we've put on, and I'm really liking it. It's looking really nice and glowy. I'm just being careful around the brows because I've already filled up my brows in. It's looking really nice and glowy and just like wet looking, which I absolutely love. So I'm next going to go in with concealer. Again, I've already used this concealer before, but I've just got a different shade. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer. This is in the shade C5. I think I've either got it in a C3 or a C2, I can never remember, but the one I have is way too light. It's almost white basically, so I just wanted to get a different colour. So again, I know I love the concealer already, the formula. It's more just to test out the colour. And I'm going to be blending this out with a Spectrum brush. I don't know the number because it has completely worn off, but yeah. Just being careful around the eyeshadow. Whenever I do like my words, can't talk. So when I'm doing my concealer, I tend to sort of like pull it down first, then when there's less on my brush, then I'll blend it around the eyeshadow. Just because obviously we don't want to mess up that eyeshadow. Sometimes I'll also use my finger as well. Let's not forget the tools that we were born with when it comes to applying makeup. Sometimes your fingers are just as good as a brush. Yeah, I feel like it's blending out really nicely. It's still kind of like brightening under the eye, but nothing too much. Next item is a new item. I have not done any cream like contour or bronzer in forever. So I got the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick. I think that's what it's called because it doesn't actually say it on here. And I got this in the shade F13. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it goes okay. Like I said, not used it yet. I've swatched it on the back of my hand, but that's as far as I've gone with it. So we're just going to see how pigmented it is and how much it blends out. Because I don't know how it's going to apply and how well it's going to blend and how pigmented it is, I'm not going to apply loads at once. I'm just going to apply a little bit, blend it, and then see what we're working with, and if I need to add more, I can add more. Better to add more than try and take away. It's a nice colour. Don't know how it's picking up on camera. The other thing as well is I don't know how long this sets before it's easy to blend, so I'm going to blend that out before I do the rest, like draw it on the rest of my face. To blend it, I'm just going to use a PC18 brush from Peaches and Cream. That's beautiful. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time and building on top of it. Taking it around the hairline now. One thing I like as well about using like a dark foundation, like a darker cream foundation as a bronzer, is it just gives you that bit of extra coverage if you do need it. So quite like it for that as well. Okay, so I'm really liking that. I'd say it's quite nice and buildable, but I don't want to go too crazy because I've got a powder bronzer as well. By the way, guys, I just realised I am such an idiot. I was supposed to be trying out the beauty blender, the beauty sponge that I bought, which is from Beauty Bay. Like, I'd soaked it and everything. Like, this is the size of it. I'll just show you the difference from when it's dry. So this is when it's dry, this is when it's wet, so that's the size difference. I was supposed to be giving that a go and I completely forgot. So what I might do is I might just kind of go over my skin with it now, just to see what it does, like finish wise. So I'm just gonna, it feels really soft on the skin as well. I can't believe I forgot that I was supposed to be using this to actually blend my foundation in, but I am an idiot. Obviously the sponge is going to be picking up like excess product that was laid on my skin as well. But yes, I literally never bake. Like I did when I first started doing makeup, but I've not done it in ages, so I'm going to try it today. And I'm using the Nye Translucent face powder in the shade Fair. So I've just popped some of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use the beauty sponge, seeing as I forgot to use it for applying my foundation. That's what I was going to say. So I'm going to put it underneath the eye. And I'm going to put it underneath where we've like done that cream bronzer as well. And I'm not the type to leave it for ages when I have done it in the past, to be fair, so I'm just going to pretty much dust that off straight away if I can find my powder brush. So it's just the Peaches and Cream PC04, and the powder I'm using is the MAC Studio Careblend in the shade Medium Plus. Just to sort of take some of the shine down, because I like to be nice and glowy, but in certain areas obviously. Do you know what, I'm not mad at that. I'm actually quite happy with that, if I'm honest. So now I'm going to go on to bronzer. So this bronzer, the powder bronzer, is also a new product. So this is the Milani bronzer in the shade Dolce. It looks like that. I can never open this packaging. It's a baked bronzer, so you can see it's got like a little bit of a shimmer to it. And I'm going to use the MAC 135 brush, I think it is, because it has worn off. Yeah, this is probably one of the things I was most excited to use, if I'm honest. Ooh. Oh, I'm liking this. Oh, can you see that? That's like... I'm now going a bit crazy with the bronzer. That's quite nice. It like builds up really nicely. Okay, next product, also new, also from Milani. It's their blusher in the shade Luminoso. That's what it looks like. It's a nice like peachy colour. I'm just going to use this on a Real Techniques brush. This is just the Real Techniques blush brush. That's what it's called. That looks super pretty. So let's see how this goes. When it comes to blush, I prefer either peaches or like browns to straight up pinks. That's just me personally. This is nice. Again, it's like a baked blusher, so it is giving a bit of a glow. It's not like matte. Okay, so I'm really liking the bronzer and blush. I think they are really, really pretty. Highlighter time now, and highlighter, I've not got a new highlighter to try out, so I'm not going to be doing anything new for highlighter, but I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero. Still don't know how to pronounce the name. This one right here, this bad boy, I love this palette. I'm going to go in with Glow Getter, which is this one right here. It's probably my most used shade out of this palette. And this is a Peaches and Cream PC28 brush. I love this highlighter. I'll always love this highlighter. I just love this palette. Like the Anastasia Glow kits are like something else, aren't they? So I'm just going to quickly chuck on lipstick. The last product now, which is the final product that is like new and I'm trying out. is the Makeup Revolution Glass Glow Fix Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray. That's a long name. This is what it looks like. Let's give it a go. Been needing a new setting spray for ages, so I'm excited to try this. I know I said this in the video when I did my haul, because I did actually spray a bit of it then, but it smells like clean, like from the dentist. Like when you go to the dentist it smells really clean. That is what it smells like, and I'm actually living for it because I absolutely love that kind of smell. Anything that smells clean, I love that. But yeah, this is the finished skin look. So I'm super happy with those products. Look at my skin is looking really nice and glowy. I'm really liking it. I'm loving all the products. The whole glass skin thing, that primer, you need this in your life. That's all I'm going to say. It felt so nice, so hydrating. I feel like it's giving my skin a really nice glow as well. I'm absolutely living for this primer. This might be my new favourite, baby. Right here. Again, if you've got oily skin you might not like it, but my dry skin girls that like to look glowy, you need this. You need this. Just saying. Loving the fixing spray as well. Smells so. Do you know what? These two just on smell alone is amazing. Like I said, this one smells like a dentist. This one smells sort of fruity, and I don't know what it is, but it's giving me crazy nostalgia. But they both smell amazing. They're not too strong, they're quite subtle, but they're just, oh, beautiful. Both of those products, even on smell alone, they're actually good products, but just on smell alone, you need them in your life. Foundation and concealer, like I said, already had them, already love them. I just got them in like brighter shades because the ones I had were a bit too pale, so I just got them in some nicer colours. So I got C5 in the concealer and F9.5 in foundation. But these, whatever colour you get, doesn't matter, you need these in your life. They are incredible. £9 for the foundation, £7 for the concealer. Bargain, can't go wrong. Plus they usually have them on like 3 for 2. Then, I mean, this was, I'd like to try this in like my actual shade, to try it as a foundation because I feel like it'd be really nice. But this for cream bronzer, oh my god, this is beautiful. Again, in the shade F13. It just did such a nice job. It looked stunning. What else did I try that was new? Oh, I mean, everything's like a hit here, so I can't open it. The Milani Dolce bronzer, this is stunning. Like, you need this in your life. I think it's like £10 something. It's like, just like, I think it was like £10.95, so I'll call it £11, whatever. Or it might have been 12, I can't remember. Whatever it is, this, it's less than 15, I know that much. This is amazing and you need it. The blush, I think it was the blush that was 10. The blush in Luminoso, need that as well. Beautiful. And then the little egg thing from Beauty Bay, annoyingly, because I was so stupid, I didn't get a chance to actually properly try it out because I started applying my foundation and concealer with a brush instead of with this little egg. So that's my own stupid fault, but it did feel really nice when I sort of like went over my skin with it. I felt like my skin felt a little bit like I still had the coverage, but it felt a bit lighter and a bit fresher rather than heavy because I did put a bit too much foundation on, oopsies. But yeah, really liking that. Can't wait to give that a better go by actually using it to apply foundation. But yeah, they're the new products that I tried, that I bought anyway, and that's me using them on camera. And I will say, very happy with my purchases, not disappointed whatsoever, absolutely love them. Skin is looking beautiful, if I do say so myself, especially because before I put anything on my skin, it is looking like nasty because like I've got spots and stuff and it's like really gross. I am going to stop blabbing because I talk way too much and I obviously need to get to those 97 Instagram notifications because I don't know what they are. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video and let me know what videos you want to see on my channel next as well. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you click that little subscribe box down below as well because it would mean so much to me. It would help me grow and you know, it's free and it's locked down, so what else are you going to do anyway other than watch my videos, obviously. I mean, jokes. Anyways, I'm going to love you and leave you guys, so I hope you're staying safe and staying well and staying at home, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!